As an outdoor enthusiast, I've been searching for the perfect survival kit for my needs, but I always get disappointed with my previous purchases, until I came across the AUTech Survival Kit. Unlike other survival kits out there that are made of flimsy, cheap materials, this survival kit is made of durable, high-quality materials. The hard shell case is a big plus for someone like me who has a tendency to drop stuff unknowingly. It is also waterproof, so in case of accidental spills and drops in water, I don't have to worry that the supplies inside of it are wet. This lightweight kit is easy to carry around in my backpack. With 268 pieces of supplies, which works as an emergency and first aid kit, I have nothing more to ask. I finally found a survival kit which is a keeper. Oh, by the way, if you are looking for a great gift, AUTech Survival Kit is a great choice as well. So if you're looking for the perfect survival kit, stop looking. This is it right here. This is the best one.
Rhino-Tough Foldable Solar Panel Charger. Enjoy versatile charging with peace of mind. This unique technology detects the device that you're charging and delivers the proper current to ensure powerful and stable charging. It supports almost all devices that are charged with a USB and can take a 5-volt charge. It's compatible with Apple, Android, Windows devices, and more. The charger is resistant to water and corrosion and designed to withstand high temperatures. The two output ports are hidden in a protective pocket where you can store your devices while charging them. Spread out the solar panels and place them in an area exposed to direct and strong sunlight. When the indicator on the USB output port lights up red, it is ready to charge your device. Connect your device with its cable. Angle the panels towards the sunlight vertically to get the maximum solar energy. The Rhino-Tough Foldable Solar Panel Charger is built to last, and it's the perfect addition for your next adventure.
This is an introduction to the Explorer 4000 backpack. This is a 4,000 cubic inch or 65 liter backpack, great for 2 to 5 days in the backcountry. Comes in multiple color options to choose from, so take your pick. Let's look at a few of the features. These blue sections are made from 600D squared ripstop, whereas the black sections are made from 600D Oxford canvas. So you've got a strong and durable backpack that'll hold up for years. There are multiple compartments for strategic packing. There are pass-through weather-shielded side pockets to accommodate tent poles or long gear behind the pocket, and still have a pocket available on the front. You'll also notice multi-directional compression straps for attaching gear on the outside, as well as a large sleeping bag compartment at the base of the pack. Starting at the back of the pack, upper load adjusters, thick padded shoulder straps, a torso adjustment to make sure this pack fits you perfectly. Moving down, you'll notice an air channel to keep your back nice and cool. Got a nice open-celled lumbar region here, making sure that this pack will fit you comfortably on those long treks. And of course, an adjustable waist belt. The Explorer 4000, along with all Teton products, comes with our limited lifetime warranty. If you ever have a problem, reach out and our awesome customer service team, based here in the USA, will get you taken care of. It's service you can count on to get you outdoors. And there's an introduction to the Explorer 4000. Get outdoors and enjoy life.